songs, right from Arijit Singh's Sanam Re, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, वो चांद कहाँ से लाओगी, and there are multiple, tracks which have added to my filmography, and people love to hear all those tracks. So I'm very happy, and I'm very, fingers crossed that also.
But when you have there's a lucky charm हो जाता है, and when the lucky charm sort of works, it really. Just one second. Should I wait for the lights to come back on?
No, we can start.
Okay. So एक lucky charm बन जाता है, and it sort of really works. And I think she's become that lucky charm. Wherever you go, you'll see Urvashi these days.
And she's traveling, I think, everywhere. I mean, मैं देखता हूँ कभी गोवा में होती है, कभी वहाँ होती है, कभी यहाँ. It's really amazing. See, keeping yourself, engaged with so many things, and again, keeping yourself so fit and fine.
That is another thing also.
That is.
Urvashi का जो workout schedule उसको देखते ही मैं बेहोश हो जाऊँ.
It's very difficult. यार आदमी की हालत नहीं होती. But I think it's all a hard work, and I'm saying मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही मजा आया. हमने जब काम किया दुबई में 2 days का शूट था हमारा. So it was fantabulous working with her, and I personally wish her all the success in her forthcoming projects, whatever she's doing. And obviously रब्बा करे, अपने गाने हैं, आप सब प्लीज प्यार करिए, शेयर करिए.
That is good.
थोड़ी मार्केटिंग करना चाहूँगा मैं यहाँ पे.
थोड़ी, we can do lots of marketing.
I know.
Urvashi 2 दिन के शूट में पहले 2 घंटे कैसे रहता है? You met Shail over there. Of course, we've known Shail for a period of time also. As a singer and as an artist, we've always known him. First 2 hours, how was it? How was it meeting Shail?
I have to say that when I met him, I told my parents that I'm working with him, and they were really over the moon, and they were very happy because they love him, and they told me, "Honey, you're working with Shail Osman? Okay, you don't have to worry." That's what exactly they said. You don't have to worry. And right from that moment, I didn't worry at all, and it has been such a smooth ride. I think I find him really very unique because apart from being truly super successful, businessman, at the same time, how do we say, वो song trend चल रहा है ना, millionaire. So I would say that he is such a successful businessman, but in every successful businessman, you'll find this one thing, that they lack the creative part, which I don't know from where he gets this so perfectly. He has such a emotional, very gentle, very such a great music sense, and he is very high on creativity, and that's where we really blend it all together. But at the same time, he is so good in what he does, which is his original business. So I think it's a great mix, and this is the kind of a mix which it's really hard to find, and he's the rarest one.
इतनी बढ़ाई
मैं वही बोल रहा सर but
thank
Shell
you
is what
thank
she
you
said is
Rishi.
absolutely right. It's very difficult to do
so
both.
kind of you. I'm really kind of you. Thank you so much. And likewise, same goes for her. The amazing human being, amazing person. You know, I saw her that song Sanam Re. You know, one thing good about Urvashi is that she can mold herself into any character. तो इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट हमने कोशिश की कि आप श्योर है दैट सिंप्लीफाइड दैट जोन राइट इतना अच्छा बन के आया तो यू नो वी ऑल आर हैप्पी यार बस अभी तो हम आपके ऊपर है
इन सब के ऊपर है but you know it's a large team that was involved to take the track also. Was this an immediate yes? Like ऐसा था multiple versions इसके बने थे या फिर जैसे कई बार होता है ना you're not back and forth चलते रहता है ऐसा हुआ था इसमें या immediately yes हुआ?
नहीं I think immediately yeah we had the story we had the screenplay ready and so once she was on board that's it we just in a short 2 days and yeah.
I like the arrangement of the track also, which may a lot of the songs that you have this love story vibe. There's a nice groove to it also, and there's a lot of electronic element that goes into it. So whose idea was that?
This was completely my music composer. Actually, I went back to my old team from Hindi. So Guru Goswami, I call him Bengali. तो मैंने कहा दादा कुछ अलग करते हैं, जैन सी का कुछ करते हैं, थोड़ा अपबीट करते हैं, मुझे ना वो मेलोडी चाहिए. ठीक है, रोमांटिक गाना करेंगे, but again I have this vision that let's make the track a little like as you rightly said, electronic, little upbeat guitars. तो वो फिर उन्होंने कुछ बना के मुझे भिजवाया. So we were jamming यार, 2-3 आई melodies. So finally I thought this is the one we should.
Picks up very nicely. Just before I open up to also the public also, what is on your playlist right now? Rishi, you're traveling like Shell said, you're always traveling. क्या सुनते हो? Because I know you're not doing the meetings that your team is
I
doing.
might travel after this as well.
Immediately. अभी गोवा होगा ना यार. But I want to understand what is on your playlist? क्या सुनते रहते हो? Music सुनते हो या फिर script reading चलती रहती है? क्या सुनते हो?
I'm a big time music lover, and I've been hearing a lot of Sabrina Carpenter's tracks these days, and I just like I so love her music, be it like espresso or any kind of songs. I think Sabrina Carpenter's music, and I've also been hearing a lot of Tylaz, a lot of like Afro music, and a lot of what do we say, Korean pop. I like. So I like
No,
that.
so many movies, man. I expected something totally different.
I'm sorry I'm interrupting, but I have to say this. Urvashi had told me that she's also a singer and she sings. I really, you know, I was so impressed, and I asked her like, what genre of music do you like? You know, she was like, I love these melodies. So I think, कमाल की बात है ये. I've not heard her singing, but I would love to, you know, someday. I mean, whenever, you know,
एक एल्बम काटने का टाइम आ गया. उर्वशी ये भी
और उत्तराखंड से तो वहाँ तो वैसे भी संगीत तो लोगों के जहन में है, क्योंकि मैं नैनीताल में शूट कर रहा था, मुझे याद है वहाँ पर यू नो अभी पहाड़ों में एक्चुअली म्यूजिक की सेंस बहुत होती है लोगों को. आई हैव सीन दैट. You know, and I think maybe she's from that state, beautiful state, and she has that sense and she sings. That was the most amazing thing, you know.
चलो फिर एक हो जाए हमारे इनके लिए थोड़ा सा. I just have
Please,
one.
please, you have to.
I'll have a little bit. This is dedicated to him.
Thank you so much.
And
That's what I love
yeah,
about you.
everyone.
आप always ready रहते हो. The best part है. हो जाए.
It is. A lot of people will not understand it, but it's like a bit different. Though I'm not ready, but let's. आरी पिया बिना अलीरी आरी पिया बिना सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन किनो रखटत मोहे तारे गिन गिन हेरी आरी पिया बिना सखीरी आरी पिया बिना.
Unreal. Live, I have.
Thank you.
This is wonderful. उर्वशी मेरे पास live
तेरे साथ साथ रहना मेरे दिल की आस हर एक सांस सब तेरे नाम लिखना
कोरियोग्राफर, तो मैं ना ऐसे कर रहा था यार चीज से। तो दिस इज स्मॉल स्टेप। तो मैं ना यार बार बार ऐसे से कर रहा था। कहता यार वो नीचे ना सिगरेट पड़ी है, सोचो आप ना बुझाओ। तो वो ये स्टेप ये था, ये ऐसे के।
But that is the best way to teach people how to
हाँ, यही
dance.
हाँ देखो मेरे हमेशा ये उठा था यार। पड़ी है देख लो, नहीं है तो बस सोचो कि है।
सर वो ABCD पिक्चर ही यही बनी थी। Anybody can dance. यही सब था सब।
So ये थोड़ा स्टेप था। Think she is the most Punjabi, but that the one step we have to do this, all that like that going forward. But if you see her performance, she's so natural. I think because she's already she knows the skills, she knows the camera, how to. तो मेरे लिए डांस करना मैंने कभी किया नहीं. So for me it was a little difficult initially, but I think thanks to her support, we did it.
Well, appreciating her craft, her performance, definitely she is very exuberant while dancing. But weren't you smitten by her?
Anybody would be. I think not me. I think anyone.
What was the ratio that you were smitten to if I ask you out of 10?
I think I would give 9.5.
Oh my God.
Definitely.
That's great.
Definitely.
Thank you.
अभी मुझे
Nushin, would you like to add something about Shail?
As I already previously stated, that I think it's kind of rare, like only 1% out of 100% population, where you see and find a very successful, hyper successful businessman at the same time who is a creative genius as well. He is so good with the soulful, romantic tracks. At the same time, he's very versatile as well. So I think for me, creatively, it was such a great joy working on the sets, and this at the same time, he was just so super supportive, and it was a great energy to be on set.
Thank you for those sweet words.
It's a lovely mutual admiration society, but it works.
Anna?
Yes, absolutely. Best. Yes, anybody else?
Yes. Shell, Urvashi, congratulations for Rabba Kare.
Thank you.
Hello.
Shell, I must say, I mean, whether it's Hire, Soniye, whether it's Rabba Kare, I mean, tell me about this, your love for these emotional, heartfelt songs. I mean, are you a die-hard romantic at heart, or does it come very naturally to you?
I am definitely romantic at heart. And actually I grew up listening to Nazir Hassan and Zoe Hassan. So his songs, Bidu was actually my, the first album came out with Bidu. And I think listening to those songs when I was very young, like 6-7 years old, Chehra, Jana, so I think वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई, and then I think I just love the sense of the melodies, the lyrics. Lyrics are very important for me, I think, because when I used to hear Zoe and Nazir, even in their songs, lyrics were the most important part. And for Bidu, lyrics were very important. So I think thanks to Bidu and the entire journey.
But tell me very honestly, did you imagine Soniye, Hire to be such a timeless classic and get so much of enduring love?
I never thought that, honestly, because Hire was dropped in time. There's so many remixes happening, and I told my team that, क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? कोई नहीं सुनने वाला ये गाना. They're like, नहीं, आप ना just listen to the melody. So Dada came to the office at Carter Road, and he got his PT, harmonium, and he said, "Petro, okay, Petro." Then he started playing, some tunes. I said, "हाँ, ठीक है, it's nice." He's like, "Just sing this song in the studio. Rest you leave it to me, and then you hear the final mix." So when I heard the final mix, I had goosebumps, but I never knew that this song will reach, that milestone. I think thanks to everybody here. I think people who understand melodies and soulful songs. We just tried our best. I think it happened. I think thanks to the universe.
Can I please also add
Please,
one more
please,
thing?
yeah.
I have to say one more thing, that it's kind of tough for any artist, be it like a singer, musician, or an actor, to have such a, I would say, like a lifelong evergreen classic. And you have that already. So you are really very lucky and very blessed that you have something like a Hire, which is such a timeless classic. Yeah.
I think it's like DDLJ.
Yes.
Like a movie. When I was shooting for my earlier songs, I remember the whole team was there. Kunal Kohli, Saroj Khanji was there. So we stayed at Sanin in Switzerland at the same hotel where the whole DDLJ team was there. So I'm just, kind of just recalling the whole thing. And I think, as she rightly said that it is difficult to create something, but sometimes you know what happens. You know, that control is not in your hands. So the song, yeah.
I am happy.
Listen, you need to give a behind the scenes of all the songs you created. ऐसे जो आप ऐसे time ऐसे फेंक रहे हो ना ये सारी stories. It's really fantastic.
मैं actually ना वो मैं थोड़ा वो हीरे को लेके फिर मैं उस zone में चले गया.
Lovely, and you also took names like Pintu, yeah. It's just
I know,
lovely
Pintu,
nostalgia.
yeah.
Yes.
You mean to say this song?
Yeah, he's reminding him of the late 90s.
No, actually right. क्योंकि ये रखी थी 90s का. Because I belong to that era, and I think 90s was the best time for the music industry. I feel that for the pop music industry, independent pop music industry, and but then I thought, थोड़ा आज का भी we have to have that little Gen Z, little bit of that beat happening. So gathered everything together. I think it came out different, and I hope now people will enjoy it. Actually for me, sound should reach. See, views. I've seen so many songs जिसके views कुछ खास होते नहीं है, but the sound has reached. लोग ये बोले यार वो गाना सुना, so then you know actually that the song has reached. So I hope आपने अच्छी बात बोली 90s की, काश आज की generation भी उसको connect करे. That
करेगी, social media के through करेगी. That's what's happening. Pretty much. Yeah.
Hi, you're this side. Hello. Hi, this is Asta from Awesome TV. The song is absolutely awesome as well.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
My question goes out to you, Shahil. You're a successful businessman as well as singer, and you've been singing also since a long time, and you're doing business also since a long time. How do you manage to, engage with both of them, and how do you manage to?
I think it's just your simple thought process. I've never thought so much about my other part of the business. I mean, when I'm singing, it's completely I'm in this zone, and I think my team knows, that.
Mike.
So the other, those people know that okay, when Cher is doing something in the studio, he's creating something, let's not bother him because I'm not in that space. So I think, and Touchwood, I have a good team, so they understand, my direction towards certain things. That's how I balance. I think it's just in your mind.
So it's easy going.
It was tough initially, but I think now it's I made myself a little bit more go with the flow kind of a person. So I think I can manage it. Yeah.
The most important part is that the person has to be completely sorted in their brains, in their head, and that's what you're super sorted.
Yeah,
That
I think it's
really
just
helps.
on your mind. I
Are
think
you
how
a
you
strict
balance
boss?
things. Sorry.
Are you a strict boss?
Not at all. I mean, I think.
I am
Yeah.
at some point of time. I think everybody has to, but that's okay. I think they understand कि चलो ठीक है. गुस्सा थोड़ा के लिए आता है, बाद में फिर प्यार ही बहुत करता हूँ. I think that's important.
Urvashi, you're this side. Also, I wanted to ask that आपका भी कोई singing में debut हो सकता है क्या? आपका और शहर जी का साथ में ऐसा लग रहा है?
Yes, for sure.
She
International.
actually she had mentioned to me when we were shooting in Dubai, and I would love to, and I think I know she's extremely busy with a lot of engagements she has right now, but whenever she has sukoon ka time, then when I think actually वो भी लिखा है, जो होना है वो होगा. I think maybe universe got us connected. When she came, she spoke to you about her music, her skills of singing, and then she told me she's doing a lot of international projects as well, and I think. Maybe I'll be a part of that, a small part of her collaboration. I would love to.
Thank you. Okay. Any more? Should we wrap?
All the best.
Thank you.
Last but not
That's a
least,
nice one.
I also want to add that a great round of applause to my director, who we've already worked with, Firoze Khan. It was so good, amazing working with him because in a span of 1.5 days, he was super fast and the singer is just good. It was so smooth to work with him. At the same time, also Miss Sinisha Oswal as well for such a smooth ride and helping us creatively. So a big round of applause to them and to the entire team.
Urvashi, just now you said that you will be debuting, in singing. So would it be a romantic number? What number? And would it be for the South industry, since you're so familiar there, and will it be for Hindi industry?
डाकू महाराज का टीजर देखा,
हाँ,
मजा आया?
हाँ,
अभी आप आगे देखिए, तबाही आ रही है।
क्या बात है,
धमाका आने वाला है।
लेकिन डेब्यू किस में करोगे? रोमांटिक नंबर में, सोलफुल नंबर में, किस
अब
में करोगे?
I think
और किसको लोगे अपने ऑपोजिट?
No, I thought the नजर वहाँ है शायद।
मेरा समझ आ चुका है।
नहीं,
Yeah?
come on।
I already did a brief अभी एक performance there, especially
हाँ।
आप सभी के लिए। I think especially when you know we shot in a beautiful island away. It was.
It's called the World Island.
Yes.
They have 7 different continents. So we chose this Lebanese.
Yeah,
you know?
Lebanon.
Yeah, the Lebanon, yeah.
So we shot in this really exotic world island, and it is such a cute and small, sweet island. And we all were there. I think there were not so many people,
Not too many people.
but it was so aloof, very peaceful, and also had the great energy on sets like you and Shreyal's energy. So I think it was really amazing while shooting in the island and doing our shots, enjoying the beautiful water, the sea, and the cruise. So I think that was a really nice
Really,
moment we
I
all
think-
shared
I think
together.
I'll just say one thing. Paru was there. I mean, looking at her, actually you feel very energetic. You know, she has that, pushing, that power something. You know, she's gifted with that. Yeah.
Exactly.
My memory is like obviously with Urvashi. I think she's part of this video. I did want to work with her for the longest time, and I think I told Firoz Bhai also. When he told me, I said, no, you try to contact Urvashi first. I think that's our first choice. And luckily she was free. She could give her dates to us, and she came and she conquered.
Thank you. Also, I'd like to add celebrating Diwali
Oh,
at
yeah,
our
yeah,
place.
yeah. We actually-
It was
yeah,
so
yeah.
good. Like we celebrated Diwali.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
had
yeah.
like our own moment with Diya and crackers and
Yeah. We did.
you
Yeah,
blasted like.
yes. I know suddenly that bomb.
Yeah, exactly.
An hour.
Yeah. So we experimented a lot.
Yeah.
Diwali time.
Thank you. बहुत बढ़िया लगा, बहुत बढ़िया लगा।